Good afternoon, first grade scientists. We are going to be exploring an aquarium. Now, this isn't like an aquarium that you would find at like one of the big zoos or anything. This one is in a house. And since we can't go out and visit a real one, I figured I would show you guys this aquarium. Let me step back so you can get a full view. All right, we have space. As you notice, the aquarium is pretty large. At one point, there were a lot more fish in here. And the more fish you have, the bigger tank you need, just so they can have all of their own space and not get upset with each other. All right, let me introduce you to some of the fish here. That turtle that you see, that is a diamondback terrapin. That one right here in front, that's the catfish. That one way in the back, that one is called a Texas chinchillin. Oh, the turtle keeps getting in the way. And, oh, there's one of the minnows. There should be a couple of them in there. Their sole purpose, as you notice, they're pretty small. These minnows are not put in here to be ooh and awed at. They're in here as food. That's what the turtle and the big fish like to eat. And of course, if we run out of minnows and we can't go out and go get some more, we also do have special fish food for all of them. So they've got food that's provided to them. As you also will notice, we have lots of rocks. We have a tree or a shrub-esque thing, and we have some logs. Those actually do serve a purpose. They provide hiding places for the fish. So especially like if they're sleeping and they want to make sure they're not going to be bothered, that's where they'll go and hide. Or like the minnows, they use those rocks when they're a lot smaller. They actually can fit underneath those little pebbles that are on the bottom of the tank and try to hide. Ooh, you actually see one of the minnows hiding right there inside of the log. Okay. So it offers protection and a home for them to rest in. Okay. You also will notice we have some lily pads right here. That is for the turtle, so that way he can climb up on it, and then he can sunbathe on this tree bark that we have right here. It's just like you would see at the park, you'd see turtles sitting on logs, so that way they can sunbathe like cats like to sunbathe in the windows, right? So in order for him to be able to get his sun bath, we have special lighting. I'll just flash the camera up there really quick to blind you. All right, those are special UV ray light bulbs that we have that offer heat, but it also offers, again, his sunlight for the turtle and his vitamin D and calcium in order for him to stay healthy and grow. All right, so let me see. I've introduced all the fish and all of their living space. Okay, also, oh, another thing, we have filter. I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty dark. A filter on here that keeps the water nice and clear and clean for the fish. We also have, let me go to this tube back here if you can see the tubing. That is an oxygen air tube pump, and it pumps oxygen in there for them, because that's one of the things we all need, right, in order to live. All right. If you have any questions, just let your teacher know. And I believe you guys have some questions you need to answer about this aquarium. Thanks, guys.